So guys, this is a new update. New Philippine Eagle, guys. Let's see it. Oh, it's this. No, this cool, bro. It's cool. Let's see this, guys. Not bad, bro. It's so big. It's big. Not bad. Let's see how it sit. Yo, it's so cool. So cool, bro. Let's see how we eat. Hurt. Yo. Let's see ice. Not bad, guys. Yo, guys, this is so big. Let's see how it hurt, guys. Let's hurt. Yo, it's just the same as the baby. Display, guys. Yo, that wing's so big. Yo, that wing's so big. That wing's so big, bro. Then, let's see how it flies. Yo, this wing's so big, bro. It's so big, guys. Let's see how it done. Yo, it's so fast, bro. This is so fast. This is so fast, guys. That's all for today's video, guys. Bye, guys.